everybody? This is Julie. I normally have another channel, but I'm not doing that tonight. I'm going to start up a new channel. My other channel's not going like I would like it to go because I would like to reach a lot of people about sugar-free, gluten-free type desserts. And the other one I'm just going to keep as a healthy channel. And it'll still have my recipes on there for the sweets. But this one I think I'm going to dedicate mainly to sugar-free and gluten-free and lactose-free and some dairy-free channel. But anyway, tonight what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a cheesecake recipe. And what I need is I need graham crackers. And I've already got my pie crust done, so y'all can't really see that. But this is what I used. I use the chef quality graham cracker crumbs. Then that way I can get a even cup amount. Okay, now I've got my stand mixer out here. And then I'm going to put, I need cream cheese. I need 3 8-ounce blocks cream cheese. Room temperature, I'm going to have to make this one kind of room temperature. My other ones are kind of room temperature. So I got to make this one room temperature. But I will in a minute. We need sweetener, the granulated, no calories sweetener. This is a great value. It's made with sucralose. I like it. You can use the Splenda. You can use the half and half. They have half Splenda, half sugar mix. We're going to need salt, vanilla, salt, 3 eggs, room temperature. I forgot something. And a dollop of daisy. We gotta have sour cream. Okay. So I just untied myself, so I gotta retie myself. So like I said, I already have done my graham cracker crust. And what it is was 1.5 cups of graham crackers, and y'all saw what I use. I use the chef quality, and I get the the pre-crumbled. And that is a 10-pound box. They have less whatchamacallit. They have less pounds, but I got the big pound because I do a lot of baking. And I'm fixing to take a piece of this cream cheese to David tomorrow. So I don't know if he's going to want any or not. So we'll just see how that goes. But he's diabetic, and he's got people that come in there with diabetes. And so I'm making this for him. I'm going to take a piece. My roommates, they're going to be my guinea pig on the sweet and low stuff, or the sugar-free stuff. So far, so good on them. Okay, so we got vanilla, eggs, and our sour cream. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I've already preheated my oven to 350, and I've already mixed my graham cracker crust. What it needed was use a spring form pan. I'll get it out in a minute. I can't think and talk at the same time, as everybody knows. But anyway, and a baking sheet. Why do I need a baking sheet? Oh, we're gonna bake it for 15 minutes at the temperature of 300. So let me set my temperature. Okay, now that I've got my clothes are falling off of me. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get our cream cheese, and we're going to get it at room temperature. Well, those two are already, because I thought it was 2 I needed, but it's 3 I needed. So I'll get this one kind of softened. I made chicken and dumplings for dinner because this Texas weather, you know how I told y'all before? Yeah, we got a little chilly today. I made 2 pies for my friend Mary. I hope she puts a good word in for me. They're sugar-free. The lemon pie was half and half. It was a half sucralose and half sugar. So it's sugar blend. So this morning we're up in the 50s, and now we were in this, and then we went up to almost the 80s. It can't, and that's Texas weather. You know how that is for us. And rainy. It's been rainy. Okay, what I did was I softened it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So then that way it's kind of room temperature. And I put up my dishes for the moment. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start blending this.